Hello, sixth graders. Hey, today you are going to do two sheets of conversion. I put the chart on the bottom of one of them so you can look at that as you are trying to convert different ones like kilometers into meters, meters into kilometers, whatever it might be. Remember, when you're going to do it, whatever they give you, put your finger on that with the chart, or you can write it down on your piece of paper that you're going to put the answers on, the chart. Then go to what they're asking you for. If it's 3 to the right, take the decimal wherever it is and go 3 to the right. If you put your finger on whatever they want and then it's 2 to the right, move your finger 2 to the right. And then remember, just take the decimal, move it 2 to the right from what they give you, and then put the answer down. Take your time. Don't hurry. Get this right. Okay? All right. So you have 2 sheets to do. You'll see this on this Google Classroom. All right. Good luck and stay busy. Work hard. Ask your workshop teacher if you have a question. Okay. But you should be able to handle it. Bye for now.